Hey everyone, I'm Nick, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to skip the usual intro today because I need to have a real conversation with you about what's been going on in the background and some changes I'm making to my upload schedule. I'm not quitting YouTube or stepping away, but things have been pretty crazy recently, and I want to be completely transparent with you about why. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you might know that the last year and a half hasn't been the greatest. We've had some losses in the family, and unfortunately, we're facing another one. A family member who's very close to me has a terminal illness that's in its final stages. We got some tough news the other week, and my top priority right now is being present and supporting my family. On top of that, the stress of everything has taken a physical toll on me. I ended up in the hospital after I collapsed 2 weeks ago. I actually don't know exactly what's wrong yet, and I'm working with doctors and getting tests done to figure it out. Balancing all of this with the schedule of a repair video every Monday and a review video every Thursday just isn't healthy or sustainable right now. I found myself constantly running between my personal life and YouTube, sometimes just scrambling to hit a deadline. And I don't want to give you recycled content or videos that I haven't put my full effort into. So I'm making some temporary changes. I'm pausing the Thursday videos and moving back to a baseline of 1 video per week. You'll still get a video from me every Monday. Some of the reviews you enjoy will be integrated right into those Monday rebuild videos, while others will be dedicated videos when the time is right. But this fourth step back is actually pushing me towards the creative change I've been wanting to make for a long time. Instead of dragging out a build over a long series, I want to start doing more all-in-one videos. I want you to come along with me as I find a car, figure out what's wrong, build it, and finish it all in one video. Taking this extra time will allow me to improve the production value, do better editing, and actually get ahead on projects. That way, if an amazing deal pops up and I need to hop on a plane, or if I get a last-minute invite to a show like SEMA, I can do it without the pressure of a weekly deadline hanging over my head. And there's still a ton of cool stuff coming. I've got upgrades for the Mini, including this. The E-Class is still here, and projects involving exhaust work, big brakes, and performance mods are on the way. You're also going to see some channel branding updates soon, a new logo, new icon, and new colors. I've been on YouTube for 5 years now, and going from 0 to almost 11,000 subscribers is an absolute dream, and I'm so incredibly grateful that you all watch and make it possible for me to do what I love. It makes it hard to come on here and say that I'll be putting out fewer videos for now, but the support you've shown me makes it possible to make these changes when I need them the most. Thank you for your patience, thank you for your understanding, and thanks for sticking around. Take care of yourselves, stay healthy, and I'll see you on Monday.